How to add strike-through text in Adobe Acrobat? Let's dive right into it. If you have ever needed to cross out text in PDF document, you will be pleased to know that Adobe Acrobat makes it easy. Here's how to do it. First things first, open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Once you're inside, you will see this type of interface. Now go to Find Text and Tools over here, tap on it and search for Strikethrough over here. Tap on it. That will send your arrow into this type of icon. Simply select the text that you want to strike through. For example, I want to strike through this warm welcome to all. Simply select them and now you can see the text have a line through it, just like that. You can also use this toolbar over here. What you have to do is you can see a T button over here. Simply tap on it. That will open up three options for you. First is highlight, underline and strike through. You can simply go to strike through over here and make the sentences on your PDF too. And there you have it. You have successfully strike through text in Adobe Acrobat. Give it a try on your own document and see how easy it is to edit your PDFs. What are some other features you would like to learn about Adobe Acrobat? Let me know in the comments below. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.